Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Yesterday we studied about Let's Speak lesson, correct? And in Let's Speak lesson, what did we study? We studied about different people. After seeing picture, first we studied about the doctor, then we studied about police women. After that we studied about conductor. Then fourth one was a farmer, correct? And soldier and chef. Total how many people we studied in yesterday's period? We studied 6 people: doctor, police woman, soldier, conductor, chef, and farmer. Okay, and today we are going to start with our new lesson. I think so you have completed your workbook, and let's speak that lessons workbook writing I will send you today. Okay, you have to complete question answers of 2.3 let's speak in your workbook. Okay, not in notebook, in your workbook. And whatever questions are there in notebook, that also you have to write down. Okay, there are some question answers which we have to write down in notebook, that also you have to do. Okay, first we will complete now teaching and workbook writing, and then I will take write fast writing and सायमल्टेनियसली नोटबुकमध्ये पण लिहून काढायचे प्रश्न उत्तर, नोटबुकच्या लेसनच्या खाली जे प्रश्न उत्तर असतील ते नोटबुकमध्ये पण लिहून काढायचे आणि वर्कबुकमध्ये पण लिहून काढायचे. आर यू गेटिंग ऑर नॉट? And today we are studying lesson number 2.4. The name of our lesson is story time. Unity is strength. Unity is strength means what? Unity means what? एकता. ज्यावेळेस आपण एक असतो, सगळे एकत्र राहतो, किंवा when we stay together, that is called unity. And if we are having unity in us, when we have unity in brothers, sisters, if 2-3 brothers are real brothers, and if they have unity in them, then it becomes what there? It becomes their strength. What it becomes there? It becomes their strength. Are you getting on? And then if the people, if the friends, you say, if the students in the class, if you'll see what we call members in the house, if they have unity, naturally they have strength, okay, to fight with any type of difficulty. And that only we are going to study. There is one small story of four sons and their father. I'll read lesson first for you, and then I will explain you lesson. Okay, first paragraph is lesson number 2.4. Lesson 2.4, story time, unity is strength, page number 21. Listen, repeat and enact. An old man, I'm reading here. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. Okay. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. It is so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to unite the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. Are you getting or not? In this way, there are 5 paragraphs in this lesson. From that 5 paragraphs, I have read 3 paragraphs for you. There was an old man who had 4 sons, and those 4 sons used to fight all the time. Okay, elder son was not listening of middle son was not listening of youngest son, correct or not? And youngest son was not listening of eldest son, correct? So as the man was having 4 sons, everyone's views of thinking was different. प्रत्येकाची काय बोलतो आपण त्याला, विचार करण्याची पद्धत वेगवेगळी असते. एव्हरीवन्स लिव्हिंग स्टाईल इज डिफरंट. ऑल पीपल कॅन आर सेम ऑर वॉट, एव्हरीवन इज सेम ऑर वॉट? नो, people have different lifestyle. Everyone lives their own life, correct? And then these 4 sons were all different. And then if the first son will say to second son, hey, you have to listen what I am doing and you have to do according to that only. If he will say you have to wear only white color shirts, second son will listen. Now what he will say, no, I don't like white color shirts, I will not wear white color shirts, I like red color shirts. In this way they kept on quarreling, and this old man was always behind these sons and telling him, please do not fight, don't be separate. 4 children in 4 corners. Are you getting or not? 4 children in 4 corners. If these are the sons, one in this corner, one in that corner, one in this corner, one in that corner, everyone's views are different, everyone's way of thinking is different, then what will happen? There will be no unity in them, yes or no? So this old man always used to tell them that please do not fight, you should have unity, take firm decision, all together take firm decision, don't have you should not have separate decisions. Then old man thought that it is of no use just telling them that don't fight, or then be united, there is no use, then we should think of some trick which will teach them lesson. So old man goes in the farm and brings a bundle of sticks. What he does, he brings a bundle of sticks, and this bundle of sticks is tied with a rope. Okay, it is tied with a rope. And then that old man tells his sons that, boys, can you break it, this bundle of sticks? Then eldest son is saying, it's so easy, father, what is there in that too much difficult? Immediately I will break it into small pieces. So eldest son gets up and then he takes that bundle of sticks in his hand and he tries to break it. What he does, he tries to break it, but it becomes very difficult for him, and those sticks remains unbroken. Unbroken means what? Which does not break into pieces. Then the eldest son is saying, I am not able to break it. So he gives the bundle of sticks to second brother, or you can say second son of the old man. Second son also tries to break the bundle of sticks, but he is not able to break the bundle of sticks. Okay, then further, then the old man tells third son to take bundle of sticks in his hand. For example, now these are, if we will try to break one stick, it is very easy. For example, now there is a bunch of 4 sticks in my hand. Okay, and if I will try to break it, just imagine if I will try to break it, it will break or what? No, it is not getting break. It is breaking or what? No. Then third son takes a bundle of sticks and he tries to break it, but it becomes for him impossible to break it. Fourth, youngest son also tries. It becomes impossible for him. Then old man, the bundle of stick which was tied with a rope, he removed that rope and gave each son 1 stick. 4 sons were there, right? So 4 sticks are there. In my hand also, how many sticks are there? 4 sticks are there. Then he told the eldest son, take this 1 stick. Second stick to second son. Third stick to third son. And fourth stick to fourth son. And he told them, break it. So the eldest son who was standing first, he broke that stick into 2 pieces. Second son who was standing near the elder son, when 1 stick was given to him, he broke it easily. Okay. The third son who had stick in his hand, single stick, father told him to break it, he broke it easily. Correct. And the fourth son who had single stick in his hand, the old man or the father of those sons told him to break it. The fourth son also broke it very easily. So then father told him that when you four are together, now of 4 sticks I have made 8 sticks. When you all are together, it becomes impossible to break. It becomes impossible to break your relations, or any other enemy cannot interfere in your life, and you cannot have misunderstandings among you if you are having unity. And if you will be separate, then anyone can easily break you. Are you understanding? Break you means what? Anybody can have fights among, anybody will have any another person will come and tell something wrong about your brothers, and then there will be misunderstanding among you, and because of that reason you will have more fights. And if you will have more fights, then what will happen? You all will remain separate. That is only what told in the lesson. First two paragraphs I read. First 3 paragraphs we read. Now I'm reading for you 4th paragraph, which I have explained you already. Okay. Here it is. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. Now here it is. Their father smiled and asked them to unite the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. You can see here, sticks were given to them, and those 4 sticks which were given to his sons, those all 4 sticks were broken. Now moral of story is left, that moral of story, and more 2 paragraphs are left. What happened in story further, that we will study in tomorrow's period. I'm going to send you some question answers in workbook, and in this lesson also backside in exercise some questions are there. These all questions you have to write down in your notebook, and whatever answers I will send you on workbook on WhatsApp group. You have to write down question in your notebook, and answer of this question you have to find where? On WhatsApp group, where I have sent you question answers of workbook. वर्कबुक मध्ये पण प्रश्न उत्तर लिहून काढायचे, आणि जे उत्तर मी लिहून दिलेले वर्कबुक मध्ये तेच उत्तर ह्या प्रश्नांचे. तर हे प्रश्न कशात लिहायचे? हे सगळे प्रश्न तुम्ही तुमच्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून काढायचे. ओके, समजतंय का? प्रश्न लिहायचा व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप वरती. वर्कबुक मध्ये मी जे फोटो पाठवलेले त्याच्यामध्ये याचा आन्सर बघायचं, आणि ते तिथून ते आन्सर बघून नोटबुक मध्ये लिहायचं. समजलं? आर यू गेटिंग ऑर नॉट? I will send you some questions and answers today, that you have to write down in notebook as well as in your workbook. Okay, thank you. We'll meet tomorrow and we will complete remaining story tomorrow. Thank you.